Welcome to this beautiful forest meditation. We're going to be using some sound for this meditation. We're going to be using the universal sound of AUM, so AUM. And this is the first sound, the sound, or the AUM, Awen, Amen, the first sound that can be made. And even if we didn't have our tongue, we would still be able to make the sound Om. So this universal sound is a great sound to make, to bring in vibration into the body. And it's a great way to slow the breath, to calm, and if you can do it in a natural place as well, it helps you to ground to nature and to become more grounded. And I'm getting some forest bathing as well. So just coming to a comfortable position. I'm on a little bit of a slope here, so just gonna move my way this way. So just as long as you can sit upright and get comfortable, because we're going to be sitting for a little while. So sitting with your spine nice and tall. And just closing the eyes, focusing in on the breath. So looking inward and just seeing where the breath is. And settling that down. So the first sound is going to come from the belly. So you can place one hand on your belly, you can place the other palm facing up. And this allows us an open connection to the universal energy. And bring your hand to your lower dantian, so just below the belly button. So when we make the R sound, we want to feel it resonating down in the belly. So let's just practice 3 R's. Taking a breath in. When you're focusing in on this sound, really feeling that it's low down in the body, and this is a very grounding sound coming from the base and coming into the belly. The next sound is the ooh sound. You have to remember now that we're not singing, we're simply making sounds and visualizing the sound within the body, hearing the resonance, but also feeling that vibration within the body. So let's bring the hand onto the chest and see if we can feel that ooh sound in the chest. And let's do 3 of those. So taking a breath in. Noticing how that feels within the body. And then the sound, we want to feel that resonating around the throat, around the mouth. So it's M for mother, so we feel that vibration between the lips. And we can release our hand for this one. So let's do 3 together. Take a breath in. noticing how that feels around the face. Just taking a moment in between to feel how the vibrations feel within the body. You're creating a sound healing for yourself by producing these different sounds within the body. So now we're going to add those 3 sounds, ah, ooh, We want to try and get equal space between the 3 sounds before we run out of breath. So let's try that together. I'll do the counting on my fingers. So we're going to do 7. So closing the eyes, just settling into your seat. And let's take a breath in and let's begin. And just letting the breath settle back down, keeping the eyes closed if you can. We're just going to sit here for a while, just sitting in this gentle vibration, and just let the breath gently come and go. Lengthening the breath if you can. So if you're breathing in for 3, try to breathe out for 4. If you're breathing in for 4, try to breathe out for 5. Don't worry about how many you're breathing in, just try to lengthen the breath as you go on, but just don't force anything. Let's just sit in silence and enjoy the forest sounds for a little while. And then taking in a deep breath. As you breathe out, relaxing the shoulders. Taking another deep breath. Starting to open the eyes, rubbing the hands together. And massage the face. Massage the ears. Massage down to the belly. Give the belly a rub. I hope you enjoyed that meditation here in the forest, and I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.